तो आज हमारे साथ हैं बहुत सारे टॉपर्स, एक साथ काफ़ी सारे टॉपर्स हमने एक साथ इकट्ठा कर लिए, इन सबको हाईजैक किया आज। एंड टुडे विल बी टॉकिंग विद ऑल द टॉपर्स ऑफ JEE एडवांस और जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि कैसे कैसे इन्होंने ऐसा फोड़ा फाड़ी मचाया। तो किससे शुरू करें? हु वांट्स टू स्पीक फर्स्ट? अरे गजब, माइक लेके बैठा भाई। तो यार बताओ, सबसे पहले प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
My name's Chowpreet. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I got AAR 50512.
5512।
Yes, sir.
ओके, ठीक है। तो चौप्रीत बताओ कि कैसे, मतलब पूरी तैयारी कैसे रही, पूरा 2 साल कैसा रहा? मतलब एकदम पहले से पता था कि हाँ निकल रहा है IIT जे एडवांस करूंगा, या फिर
Yes,
स्टार्टिंग
sir.
में कुछ ये पहले से पता था?
Yes, sir.
अरे गजब, भाई का कॉन्फिडेंस नेक्स्ट लेवल है। कैसे पता था भाई, थोड़ा ये भी बता।
Like from the beginning, also I was striving for J Advance only, sir.
ओके।
Since COVID time also,
Uh-huh.
like I used to watch Vedanta videos of Shimon Joseph sir also for maths,
हाँ
and then I was interested in online coaching because all of my neighbors were joining for offline hostel.
हाँ।
I didn't really want to leave my family and home, so
अच्छा,
I just
तो थोड़ा होम सिकनेस है भाई को।
yes sir. So I didn't really want to leave the home, and I watched the YouTube videos of Vedantu. So like I thought it was well and good, so I joined Vedantu, sir.
समझ गया। एंड वेयर डू यू लिव इन आंध्र प्रदेश?
In Madanapalli, sir.
मदनपल्ली। वेरी
Like it's a 3-hour journey from Bangalore.
गुड। ओनली 3 आवर?
Yes, sir.
तो बहुत पास है। क्या बात है, वेरी गुड। तो मदनपल्ली में कुछ घूमने का है?
Sir.
गुड टूरिस्ट प्लेस, गुड
Yes, sir.
साइट्स?
Horsley Hills. It's a hill station.
Hill
Horsley
station?
Hills.
हॉर्सली हिल्स?
Yes, sir.
तो अपन अगला ट्रिप बनाते हैं मदनपल्ली।
Yes, sir.
विल हेल्प अस?
Yes, sir.
चलो।
Sure.
वेरी गुड। तो दैट्स ग्रेट चौनप्रीत, वेरी गुड, फैंटास्टिक। अब यार बाकी लोग, आई वांट यू गाइज टू बी थोड़ा सा प्रोएक्टिव। मतलब देखो, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि तुम लोग थोड़ा कैमरा देख के यू माइट बी फीलिंग यार ये क्या हो रहा है, बट थोड़ा सा अगर यू नो वाई, सो आई टेल यू वाई। सी राइट नाउ यू हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड क्लास 12th, ठीक है, बट क्लास 12th अभी कंप्लीट हो गया, JEE कंप्लीट हो गया, तो नाउ यू आर लाइक कि ठीक है, इट्स ओके। बट जस्ट इमेजिन योर सेल्फ 2 years बैक। तो 2 साल पहले जब तुम थे इन 10th, तो व्हाट वाज योर फीलिंग दैट हाउ JEE टॉपर्स आर देयर, हाउ टू गेट इनटू IIT? यू आर हैविंग द सेम थॉट ना?
Yes, sir.
तो योर जूनियर्स विल बी हैविंग दैट सेम थॉट। पता नहीं कैसे होते होंगे वो बच्चे, कैसा पढ़ाई करते होंगे, डोंट नो, गॉड नोज कि ऐसा क्या ही वो लोग कर देते होंगे जिससे उनका इतना अच्छा होता। तो दीज ऑल थॉट्स उनके अंदर भी आता है। तो आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू टेल योर साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी, एंड वी एज टीचर्स, मैं, अब्दुल सर, शिल्पी मैम, विल बी आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस इन बिटवीन दैट, ताकि आप लोग, मतलब हमारे जो डाउट्स होंगे जस्ट फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट साइड, और आपकी ये स्टोरी हम बच्चों के साथ रख पाएं ताकि वो भी समझे कि अच्छा इतना भी टफ नहीं था। मतलब इट वॉज ईजी, जैसे ही सेड ना कि ही टुक ऑनलाइन बिकॉज ही डिडंट वांट टू लीव हिज फैमिली। अभी फैमिली नहीं छोड़ना, तो ऐसा बहुत सारे और बच्चे होंगे ना जो सोच रहे होंगे नहीं, मैं आई डोंट हैव टू लीव माई फैमिली, बट ऑनलाइन से हो पाएगा क्या? दे विल बी हैविंग डाउट, तो दे विल बी वॉचिंग हिज टेस्टिमोनियल, ठीक है? तो आप सारे लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा बताओ।
For me, JEE was a journey. Like, I didn't really fix a certain destination. I didn't want to think of the fact whether I'll be ending up in an IIT or an NIT or whatever, because that for me felt very daunting. I didn't want to think that okay, the exam is so big or the competition is so much. Personally, I felt that is something which we do not have control over. So what we do have control over was like, each day what can I do? Each day if I learn something, each day if I learn some concept, how can I make it better? How can I solve the question better? How can I approach this thing better? Keeping the backlogs as it like very minimum and not letting the day's work spill over to the next. So that was my basic motive for the both of the years. And what I can say is there will be parts of the 2 years where you feel like okay, things are not going your way, or you're feeling this exam performance was not sufficient, or sometimes you'll be overjoyed that oh, you're very much on the track. So things like this keep happening. So it doesn't mean that you are not trying enough or you're already there. It just means that along the way you're alert, you're aware of what's going on. Personally, I'll say keep your midway exam results or whatever just like your little checkpoints for you to sit there and decide where to study next, what to strengthen next. That's practically it. So you don't have to get stressed over 1 or 2 other exams or things like that. And what I'll definitely suggest is stay consistent. like being healthy over the 2 years is very important, and have like an hour of exercise. We also had like an hour of exercise, hour and 30 minutes of exercise each day, and that was very much sufficient. You get energized, you come back, and then you can again study in peace. It's not like 14-15 hours you're just grinding every day, putting in continuously. That you'll obviously feel bored over 1 or 2 months. So it's like you keep your entertainment as well, you keep you talk to your friends, you maintain a very healthy schedule, then it won't feel that much of a burden anymore. That the goal is you be consistent, you cover day by day small stuff. Even on a single day, if you're not able to cover as much as you did previous day, it doesn't mean that you feel hopeless about it. You feel okay, you're putting in the effort, and as long as you're putting in the effort, things will go your way. That's all that I can think of in this.
क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया. That's great, fantastic man.
इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह आप चलाते थे अपनी प्रिपरेशन में,
Social media पे
है ना?
how much you guys are
एक्टिव थे यानी,
available
क्योंकि
on
बच्चों का
social?
बहुत सारा मतलब ये डाउट आता है कि सर टाइम टेबल हम क्या फॉलो करें, है ना? हम तो मूवीज़ भी देखते हैं, हम मूवीज़ छोड़नी पड़ेंगी क्या? तो मतलब आप लोग ऑलरेडी वो चीज़ कर चुके हो जो वो करना चाहते हैं ना, कि एडवांस ऑलरेडी आप लोगों ने निकाल दिया है. तो वो बच्चे मतलब ये चीज़ करनी चाहिए या नहीं करनी चाहिए? हम टीचर एज अ टीचर तो कहते हैं कि नहीं बिल्कुल इंस्टा नहीं चलाना चाहिए, रील्स मत देखो, मूवीज़ मत देखो. आप लोगों ने एक्चुअल में ये चीज़ करी है या फिर छोड़ा है, और अवॉइड करा है तो कैसे करा है?
Like I didn't really do any social media.
मतलब अकाउंट वगैरह नहीं आपका?
No, I don't have Instagram or any other social media
भाई
apps.
बस सुन लो ध्यान से, अगर कोई भी इंस्टा वगैरह पे है तो आज इसे डीएक्टिवेट हो जाना चाहिए. वो एग्री नहीं करता है, वो कह रहा है नहीं मेरे तो फॉलोअर्स भी बहुत हैं. ओके ओके.
Well, my father did a very great job in that actually. Like every Sunday we used to go like from 4 to 7 cricket.
Okay.
Every Sunday or every day, whichever it's holiday, Dasra, Diwali. Like we used to play a lot. Basically before in my first year or in my 10th. So I didn't really go to the digital version of entertainment.
Okay.
So he did a very well job in that.
How many hours you study in a day?
I don't really follow a schedule as such because I plan very well, but I won't execute it very well.
ठीक है.
So that's what it is, sir. About movies, like I used to watch, like there would be a test for every Sunday or 2 Sundays once. After the test, like after coming from ground, me and my sister used to watch superhero movies, Iron Man, Spider-Man,
बढ़िया बढ़िया. मतलब
Marvel.
मतलब टेस्ट देने के बाद आप मूवीज देख सकते हैं. एंड
Like
योर
just for
I was not too active on anything. It was just there. So, but I think even if you are active, I think it's okay to waste time as long as you know you're wasting time. If you're wasting half an hour, know you're wasting half an hour. But the social media is such that you don't realize it.
Yeah.
The half an hour becomes 1.5 hours. So if you can avoid it, maybe use lock. There are apps which limit the use of social media. Right?
Yeah.
So if you can have it, you can actually manage everything. JEE is not the exam; you have to leave everything. So I think that is how.
दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट. मतलब कि मतलब आप सारी चीज़ें एंजॉय भी कर सकते हो, और मतलब लेकिन वो लिमिट में होनी चाहिए, और आप उस अपने ऊपर कंट्रोल आपको होना चाहिए ना.
Did you guys have a plan B, or you had a plan B, like when you were preparing for JEE exam? So there we always have a fear na कि नहीं हुआ तो what will happen, what if. So I want to ask each one of you individually that did you thought of that, of plan B, and if yes, then what was that?
I think in this case it is very natural. If it is not JEE Advanced, it's not IIT, it's NIT. If it's not NIT, it's CET. So it's very natural, and that is how it was for me as well.
So
और ये plan B था ही नहीं कि I don't have a plan B, ऐसा था like.
Right. So in my case, yeah, as he said, if not JEE Advanced, JEE Mains. If not JEE Mains, CET. Other than that, there are many other state exams, Comet K, other things. But one unique thing in me is that I have taken PCMB. So I also had biology. So I also attempted NEET also. Yeah, I would say not great. I got 560 marks. So, but yeah, again, it's re-NEET, so it's no use of that. But yeah, I'm also planning to give ISA, the IIT test. So that was the plan B. हाँ पता नहीं, मतलब रैंक नहीं आया ना, इसीलिए.
नहीं अभी तो इसी साल लिया ना, मतलब यू गिव दिस ईयर.
अच्छा, अब मार्क्स बहुत ज्यादा वो होने लगे.
नहीं सर, पेपर टेलीग्राम पर आ गया था ना इस बार.
हो गया वो, but if he is getting
हाँ.
60, he will not get GMC.
हाँ, मैंने टफनेस ऑफ द पेपर इज गुड, देन ही कैन गेट.
मतलब मतलब I do remember 4-5 years back तो 560 was
हाँ.
very good mark. Probably in last 2-3 years they have done a lot of mess there.
या
अच्छा.
मतलब मेरा बायोलॉजी भी इतना अच्छा नहीं था, सिर्फ 11th और 12th में जो NCERT था वो ही, सिर्फ फिज़िक्स और केमिस्ट्री में मुझे 350 कुछ आया था, तो हाँ 2 क्वेश्चन छूट गए थे। और ये बायोलॉजी में हाँ आई गॉट सम 210 ऐसा कुछ।
So if you,
तो-
if you so say for example if re-need happens and if you get 600 plus,
तो हाँ
you'll join
You'll leave
GMC
IIT.
medical college or you'll join IIT.
वो देखना है क्या कॉलेज मिलेगा। तो
I mean, he's still open to
So
opportunities.
what do you want? You want engineering or medical?
वो देखना है, मतलब अगर मेडिकल वाला कॉलेज अच्छा निकला तो हाँ आई स्विच टू मेडिकल।
मतलब जैसे कि भाई कह रहा है कि मैंने मतलब मेडिकल भी निकाला है और एडवांस भी मैंने पढ़ा है, तो ऐसा ना हो कि भाई ड्रिल मशीन लेकर ऑपरेशन थिएटर पहुंच जाए।
दोनों मिक्स कर देते
हाँ मतलब कुछ आज यूनिक बनाते हैं हम।
Personally, I didn't really choose to keep a plan B. I was like, okay, fine. If IIT is gonna, like, point is you want to think of a plan B or a plan C or whatever. If you're thinking too intensely of the situation, if you certainly want an IIT and you want to go for it, then I'll say make your plan like it, keep a schedule like it. And for that matter, like the talk about social media, personal opinion is you keep an like 1 hour like or 2 hours of a day. It doesn't matter what you do during that 2 hours. Like Instagram you use, you watch movie, you go out, play, whatever you want to do. Because once that 2 hours of time is over, you'll at least you will feel that okay, you have some entertainment in it. So you can move forward with that. It doesn't mean oh you completely block off Instagram or you do not go out and play, or because we want to do these things because we feel it will give us that confidence that okay, we are doing this, we are very much focused in this journey or something like that. If that means it's personal. If you want to again use Instagram, keep it minimum and don't get too distracted with it. And for that matter, for plan B thing, I didn't really ascertain myself with a plan B. I was like, if I can get into IIT, fair enough. I'll just work towards getting into IITs, or for up until mains it was like okay, NITs. So what mark is in NIT? What should I get? How much marks should I get? I try to push how much ever close to it is as much as possible. So I just focus on giving the exam itself. So once the exam is over, we'll think about what the consequences are. Plan A, plan B, plan C. We'll make then. So.
And one more question, मतलब on an average how many hours you self study a day?
I never really saw it, like I never counted it personally, but I was like 12.
12 hours self study.
Not self study. 12
including
hours of
the
study, I think.
total study.
Self study. If you remove the class, like I think class hours are like what 6-7 hours.
So
6
you
to 7.
studied every day for this much time?
Sometimes I used to study how much? It's flexible, right? So on average, I used to study 12 hours.
मतलब भाई कह रहा है कि कभी 18 भी हुआ होगा।
80% time you studied like that.
हाँ.
तो भाई बाकी लोग what are your situations?
तो मुझे एक्चुअली ऐसा हैबिट नहीं था 10th तक की ऐसा 12 आवर्स बैठ के पढ़ना वगैरह, तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत नया था। तो हाँ मैंने प्लान भी रखा था क्योंकि इट वाज नॉट लाइक आई वाज अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट, मगर यू शुड ऑलवेज बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द वर्स्ट। तो ऐसा मेरे पास प्लान भी थे कि बिट सेट हो सकता है CET, बट हाँ कॉन्फिडेंस था मेरे में, ऐसे कर रहा था मैं। द प्रॉब्लम मेन इशू वाज फ्लक्चुएशंस जो है बहुत सारा हो रहा था कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करने में। तो आफ्टर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम टीचर्स भी थे, गाइड कर रहे थे, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई थिंक आई वाज एबल टू पुश फॉरवर्ड एंड यू नो
How many hours every day?
सेल्फ स्टडी I'd say around 4 hours.
Okay.
बाकी सब क्लासेस वगैरह होता था, तो उसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा लर्निंग होता था एक्चुअली, बट मेजॉरिटी जो भी होता है वो सेल्फ स्टडी में ही होता है।
4 hours every day you used to do for all 2 years?
हाँ या ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 4 hours of self study.
Almost. Your?
Mine also around 11 to 12 hours.
Including the classes?
Yeah, including the classes.
So like you did it for all entire 2 years?
Yeah, almost
So
2
like
years.
how you guys were able to maintain this consistency? मतलब, so you never felt like कि today it's like let's take a chill pill something or
Felt on so many days, but just 2 years afterwards we can enjoy.
so
With
you
that-
said yourself
with
कि
that,
after these 2 years we can enjoy.
With that quotation, we somewhat motivated us
अच्छा.
ourselves to study for.
So in
so
your
many-
batch or in your surrounding, there were no such friend or guy who used to play and they were like, you were like, yeah, he used to not
Yeah,
play.
there are so many.
There are so many. So, but you still managed to make yourself committed to this cause. And this is the case for everyone, for you also?
From like ninth midterm exams, I think I haven't skipped a day when I like at least 3 hours I studied every day.
3 hours every day from
Yeah,
9th onwards?
minimum, yeah.
Minimum?
Uh,
Bhai sahab. तो
like that, the thing happened until like JE mains like January session. After that, like the gas pedal, like petrol supper like reduced a bit. Like before that, like 11th and 12th, I could like study continuously for like 3 hours, 4 hours. Like after that, 1-2 hours I could study. Then I need like a 10-minute break or something. Like that's what I did. So instead of taking like a bulk 2-hour break, I would take like a study for like 1 hour, 2 hours, then take like a 10-15 minute break, then go back to studying. So that like that's the idea that worked out for me. I don't know, yeah.
नहीं तो pretty great. For you, buddy?
I was pretty unstable.
Okay.
Everything from everything from 7 hours a day to half an hour, 15 minutes.
Ajay, that used...
Pretty much everything happens. No, personally, I believe willpower is one of the things that we should conserve a lot. Like, you know, sometimes you just don't, want to do it. You shouldn't force yourself too much.
Oh wow,
That's what
this
I
is
feel.
a pretty unique perspective, because so as everyone is saying कि study every day, like everyone is studying consistently. So you were, so during that your preparation, if you were someday 7 hours studying, someday you are like only 15 minutes or not even 15 minutes. So was this not giving you an anxious attack kind of thing, or very nervousness कि यार नहीं होगा अब तो क्या होगा?
I used to stress out a lot, but thing is, what I feel is if we push ourselves too much on the small battles,
हाँ.
we lose, like we won't have strength enough for the big ones.
Oh भाई ये तो एकदम philosophical हो गया. Very good. So looks like that someone is giving you this motivation from behind. Who is that person in your life?
अभी तो अब्दुल से साइड
मैं बच्चों से कहना चाहता हूँ भाई, है ना, जैसे भाई कह रहा है कि छोटे बैटल जो हैं हार जाओ ताकि बड़े बैटल जीत पाओ. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम JEE मेंस को छोटा बैटल समझ के हम बोले मेंस छोड़ो, एडवांस की तैयारी करते हैं, और पता चला एडवांस भी कट ऑफ ना हो पाए, है ना. तो तैयारी करनी, उसने कहा सम टाइम्स, है ना. अगर वो कह रहा है कि मैं एक दिन में 15 मिनट पढ़ता हूँ, तो ऑब्वियसली मुझे जहाँ तक लग रहा है इसकी जो रैंक आई है वो वीकली 6 days 7 to 8 hours सेल्फ स्टडी करता होगा.
Is it so, बड़ी? मेरे को लग नहीं रहा है ऐसा उसको
नहीं
देख
लग
के.
रहा है?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा. अब आप एक बार पूछो उससे.
भाई मतलब
नहीं.
ओवरऑल वीकली कितने आवर्स बैठते होंगे आपके?
So what was your weekly count? Like so you didn't really keep a count on this. So it's mostly that if you need to do this, you'll do it. But if someday if you feel like I don't need to, or you're not, it's not coming from inside, you'll not do it. Most likely.
Listen to the instinct.
Listen to the instinct. Understood.
much.
नहीं तो I guess मतलब this is what is diversity. Like most of the people are here saying that they used to study 3 to 4 hours every day, but he was a guy that he always used to believe his instinct. So instead of just going by the rule book, he followed his own instinct way, and he did it. So I guess
I mean, like, I'll also say, like, willpower is there, but if you want, you can try making friends who have the same thing. Like, me, Nayan and Surya, we all were in the same friend group.
Okay.
So, for us, like, if one used to study sometime, or we used to kind of discuss it. So, any topic or any idea that used to, like, get off from one person, we used to cover it up between ourselves. So if one is, because like we are sitting in the same room, it was like it was a hostel, it was a residency thing. And if everyone's studying 12 hours a day and then you are not studying 12 hours a day, you kind of feel compelled to push yourself a little more.
you feel left
so,
out.
So that's not exactly a big issue. It wasn't exactly a big issue for us, because some days, if you don't feel also, you can just talk to each other, because they are also in the same
In the
battle
same,
zone.
same battle. Huh?
So you just feel like you're not alone anymore.
So was this? So I know that this group study happens in our offline residential batches, Vedantu offline residential batches. So these students are from offline batches. So is there anyone else who is from offline and or anyone from online who used to have this friend circle wala study circle? So you are from online or offline?
Online, sir.
So did you have any study friend circle of study circle something?
Yes, sir. 3 to 4 people. We used to talk over 3-4 days or a week on Telegram actually.
Acha, so you had made a digital community, online community.
Yes, sir.
3-4 people. And how did you get these friends?
In RM group, sir, Vedantu.
In the batch only,
In the
you
batch
found
only.
3-4 students and you made a group, and
Yes, sir.
then you used to do the the group study.
Yes, sir.
Online group study.
Like not very group study, but we'll talk over
Call-
3-4 days.
Huh.
Like we did these things.
Acha,
I'm not getting this topic. Some kind of stuff.
Understood like that. And what about you guys? You are all from offline? You are from offline? Offline?
Both.
Offline and online both.
Yeah.
You, buddy?
Offline.
Complete offline. And you? Offline. So, did you had any friend circle or study group, something of that sort?
Only for time pass though.
Only for time pass, not for studies.
We
So,
don't feel like studying when like we are with our friends. Like.
Acha, so you are more of a sort ki with the friends, so it's a chill time.
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay. And what about you, buddy?
Well, we did discuss about studies, but
You didn't discuss about studies.
We
Did-
discussed about studies.
Okay.
But I don't think we did anything consistently enough to call it a study group.
Acha. So looks like these three only got the study group wala thing. Probably
We didn't really call it a study group or something. It was like a group for everything.
group for everyone. So it's mostly because residential batch, na? So residential studies do have this benefit. Vedantu offline residential batch में ये फायदा हो गया. So I guess online में this guy has been able to pull it up because he had made a, and you all are you online and offline. So which way you found better? मतलब online भी experience किया और offline भी experience किया. What is better according to you?
Yeah, so to stay consistent, I personally felt that offline is better. But to understand, like, for example, you'll not have the best teachers, best content. And so for having those things, online is better. So that's why it's a bit mix. हाँ
So, but you were able to take the benefit of both.
हाँ both.
अच्छा, you
दोनों
were
का
able to
benefit हुआ.
मिल जा रहा था.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था कि ऑनलाइन पे पढ़ रहे हैं तो now let's scroll YouTube और shorts.
नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं था.
अच्छा ऐसा नहीं तो I guess most of you would be using YouTube for as an educational purpose.
No, sir. Like I didn't
You
really.
didn't. You? You used. So during using that YouTube for the educational content, तो वो shorts का button तो एकदम just by that side. You never used that shorts button?
I sometimes watch shorts, sir. Like not for. I don't open YouTube for educational purposes.
You don't use YouTube for education. What everyone is doing, you are not doing that.
No, sir. Like if I want to like listen to any music or watch any shorts, I'll just open YouTube.
तो
or something.
you never watch मतलब you never felt of कि यार थोड़ा shorts देख लें or something like that. You guys, and what about you guys?
Like I would keep 2 separate accounts for it. Like one main account for watching shorts. Yeah. Like I didn't use Instagram. So
Acha.
like I was a YouTube person from the beginning, like from 5th standard. Everything I would watch, like entertainment, I would use YouTube for it. So I had like that account and a separate like studies account. So
Acha.
only study related videos there. So shorts also will be study related only. So if I won't get distracted by that.
अच्छा. What about you, buddy?
Yeah.
I personally, what I did was I stopped my YouTube watch history and I completely cleared everything. So
Acha,
whatever
incognito.
came in my feed, I mean, first thing, the homepage would be completely blank.
हाँ.
And then whatever came in my feed, would be related to the video I'm watching or from my subscriptions.
Understood.
So yeah.
So most likely just the same case that he made a new account and you have an account, but in that account you maintained the history, a clean history. Not a. And what about you guys? You never saw it.
I didn't really care about it. I was just like, ये shorts देखो.
अच्छा शॉर्ट देखना है तो देखो, नहीं देखना नहीं देखो, मतलब सब चलता है. What about you guys? Same way.
हाँ सर.
Not much. You didn't feel like watching much of the shorts and those things.
Also,
Yeah.
there are several extensions which can be used, so it will disable the shorts. So I use.
the shorts.
Yeah.
ये बताओ भाई ये कौन सा ये
नहीं क्रोम में है कि
अच्छा,
क्रोम
Chrome
एक्सटेंशन
अच्छा,
मतलब
not the
मोबाइल
mobile पे
नहीं
app.
मोबाइल उतना यूज़ नहीं किया था. मोबाइल भी ऑप्शन है पर आई नेवर यूज मोबाइल मच.
अच्छा.
तो सारा जो होता था लैपटॉप में ही आई यूज टू
used to watch.
स्टडी.
नहीं तो ये वैसे बहुत अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग बात पता चल रही है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर सिटिंग हियर दे आर सेइंग दैट दे हैड द ऑप्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट्स, ईदर दे डिसेबल्ड देमसेल्फ और दे डिडंट वॉच और दे मेड श्योर कि जो भी एल्गोरिदम है उसको ऐसा समझ के प्रोबेबली वॉच हिस्ट्री को क्लियर किया जाए, या फिर जो भी हम देख रहे हैं वो इतना क्लीन हो हमारे वॉच हिस्ट्री की वजह से दैट दे शुड नॉट डिस्ट्रैक्ट. आई गेस दिस इज अ वॉलंटरी एक्ट. मतलब ये अपने आप तो होगा नहीं. And probably this is one of the important thing that if you are in the top list or topper list, you have to start feeling every time that I have to be there. It's your conscious call. It won't happen just by luck. बढ़िया यार, ये तो काफी मतलब मजेदार बातें आप लोगों से पता चल रही हैं.
अभी ऑब्जर्व किया कि सारे लड़के ही हैं यहाँ पर.
हाँ,
So-
लड़कियां क्यों नहीं है ये बात तो.
थोड़ा सा समझ सकते हैं आप. हाँ, वी आर स्टिल काउंटिंग एंड
शिल्पी हमने तुरंत मोर्चा संभाला, ऐसा कैसे हो गया?
बोले मैं तो बैठी हूँ यहाँ पे.
हाँ.
तो क्वेश्चन ये है, मतलब वैसे तो पर्सनल सवाल है और अब बच्चे ज़्यादातर मुझसे ये कहते हैं कि सर ज़्यादा पर्सनल नहीं हो रहे हो. तो सवाल ये है कि इस उम्र में ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारे डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आते हैं. डिस्ट्रैक्शंस का मतलब आप समझ गए होंगे. तो मतलब अगर नहीं समझ पाएगा,
नहीं सब
समझ गए. तो मतलब अगर कुछ ऐसा था तो आपने मतलब कैसे मैनेज करा और पढ़ाई अपनी कैसे कंटिन्यू करी? हाँ, मतलब you don't have to mention the
मैं
name.
पहले बताऊं, गर्लफ्रेंड है किसी की?
नो, पूछ लिया सर आपने.
गर्लफ्रेंड किसी का नहीं, कोई ऐसा दोस्ती? अच्छा,
है सर.
सबसे पहले ना किया.
ये क्यों बता रहे हैं? इसे नहीं, इसे कैसे पता कि आपकी है या नहीं है?
कुछ भी बोलता रहता है.
कुछ भी होता है. अच्छा, तो गर्लफ्रेंड किसी की नहीं है, तो सारे एकदम मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है कि ऐसे नहीं, एक मम्मी बैठी है इसे उसके चक्कर में कोई बोल नहीं रहा है. नहीं बोलोगे तो मैं
है चलो.
तुम्हारी है.
No, sir. Like I'm saying, in the whole, in my whole neighborhood, like there are no children who are my age.
अच्छा,
Like
तो तुम मतलब एकदम
basically,
क्लियर कर रहे हो कि सर दूर दूर तक नहीं है, मम्मी पापा भी ये वीडियो देखे, उनको भी क्लियर होना चाहिए नहीं है ही नहीं.
हाँ,
sir, like-
या तो आंटियां हैं या फिर बच्चियां हैं.
basically, like every day, me and my father goes to walking, sir. Basically, 30 minutes walk. Like
you want to say indirectly कि because of father I am not able to.
no, sir. What I'm saying is, me and my father are very close, such that I didn't really got to the distraction part.
ये डिस्ट्रैक्शन ही ऐसा क्या है? This can be happiness also ना? Why are you saying कि girlfriend is a distraction only?
Like it won't really happen at sir. We are still kids, so it is
अच्छा,
a distraction.
oh.
We still have to achieve something, right?
और you guys thought कि एक बार आईटी चले जाएं फिर तो.
परसेंटेज ही कम है उधर लड़कियों के. चांस ही नहीं.
अच्छा, मतलब पूरा कैलकुलेट कर
भाई ने पूरा कैलकुलेट करके रखा है.
Like the compassion also he talked about like whenever there are 3 to 4 kids who are studying and we are not studying, we'll be compelled to study. Like he said that. In online also, like there were kids. Last year AR 15, Dakshta Yalia. Next Ketan Hegde. Next Prabhudatta.
You have remembered all the name, buddy?
Like we were in a group, sir. Actually.
अच्छा,
Like
you were
I-
all the same group
yeah,
only.
like.
Okay.
And then I came to this 23, 26 actually.
Understood.
Here also there are kids who like they'll every week there'll be exam. Like every week they'll be getting top rank. So
Top rank.
we are
So
compelled
it's mostly that these all students are more focused to that part कि यार if someone else is getting a good rank, why am I not getting, or I should also be that in that top list. तो ये शायद फोकस थोड़ा ज़्यादा था. और किसी भी और तरह का कोई डिस्ट्रैक्शन किसी का, मतलब any so like गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड ये हो गया, बट एनी अदर डिस्ट्रैक्शन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस? किसी का कोई हैबिट? क्रिकेट. क्रिकेट तो चलो दिस इज स्टिल फाइन.
Watching like IPL and shit.
IPL that is also fine. देखो watching IPL is normal. Watching IPL तो it's a part of entertainment. And
watching IPL is मतलब okay, but spending money on IPL is bad thing.
betting तो नहीं कर रहा है कोई. betting अब वैसे भी illegal है इंडिया में, so don't bet. ठीक है, चलो यार, तो बहुत बढ़िया.
You know what is the issue with students these days? Majority who don't get a selection is that they are not consistent with the test. You'll be knowing that. So I want you to give a message or a point about that, how much consistent you guys were with the test, or did you also skip the test? Because what is the major reason student says that कि ma'am we are not prepared for the test, so we skipped it. Next test में I'll prepare and then I will be है ना appearing for the test. तो कैसे हुआ? Were you always consistent या कितना percentage of test you were giving at least like?
I wrote all the tests which came my way. I think there is no point saying you have not prepared for the test. Before JEE Advanced, can you prepare 2 years worth of syllabus? No way.
हाँ, right.
So that is how it
So
is.
this is a point, guys. You should note कि अगर तैयार नहीं हो तब भी you should develop a habit of giving the test. At least whatever you have prepared उतना ही जाके दे दो test. That makes sense.
So, regarding the concern that they will get low marks, it will happen. If, for example, if you're going to skip it now, maybe the next time there might be some questions which have come from the test and you have missed it. So it's better to give the test anyway. And also there will be many ups and downs, and we shouldn't care that, oh, because of this test I'm not able to score good. And your mood should not depend on that.
So you guys were consistent with Jordan.
ये सारे लोग के साथ ऐसा है. You all were consistent and taking the test all the time.
Yeah. So yeah.
All of you. So I guess ये सब थोड़े बेसिक ट्रेड्स हो गए कि टॉपर वाले तो ये इवन इतने तो करते हैं. मतलब आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम, कॉमन स्टूडेंट प्रॉब्लम, बट मुद्दा क्या है कि दिस इज प्रोबेबली अ प्रॉब्लम विद 90% स्टूडेंट, बट दोज 10% हु आर द अचीवर्स दे डू नॉट हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम. प्रोबेबली 90% शुड लर्न कि यार देखो ये प्रॉब्लम होना ही नहीं चाहिए. प्रोबेबली प्रॉब्लम ये होना चाहिए दैट इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग मोटिवेटेड तो कैसे पढ़ाई करें, या हाउ टू मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी, व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, बट दिस शुड नॉट बी इवन अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर if you have to get into that result bucket.
So what I'll say is, for me personally, my experience was, whenever I was each test I am giving, for each test there will be a topper. Doesn't necessarily have to be me. Does that mean that I am not performing well? It doesn't mean like that. So I'm saying I'm looking at my performance. My graph is not some sharp peak comes down again, like some 50 marks comes down again goes up 70 marks. I only can't be sure of myself in that. So what happens is, if you are not able to avoid the mistakes, then you will build an unsurety of yourself. Max to max from all these exams, the only thing you can take out is confidence. In the final exam, if each test is not, if you're not considering it to be your final exam, there is no point in taking the test, because from each test you're not going to try to remember the questions. All you're going to think of is, oh, I got that question correct, or oh, I was confident about this kind of paper. So what I tried to do all throughout my 2 years was, I didn't want to get 280 or 290. I didn't even want to attempt for it as much. What I wanted to do was, if I attempt for 250 or 240, I should get 220 or 230. Like, I should be sure of myself. Whatever I attempt, I should do it correctly. So it's like, if you have that sort of a mentality, if you have that sort of a habit, then it becomes very certain for you to make it. So keeping and write all tests, because I was in residential batch, so for me writing test was not an issue. Each test you have to write. So if each test you have to write, over time you start asking yourself, what can I take out from each test? And if you start to analyze each test, you yourself will understand. Self-analysis is very important. And for that matter, don't look into others, because I've seen so many people, sometimes they got so much higher, and then some people they get so much lower in the next test and stuff like that. The only thing you're looking at is who is higher than you, right? So that doesn't help you in any way. Just be confident with yourself. That is all I'll say.
चलो, बहुत बढ़िया. You also want to say? ये बच्चा एकदम proactive है.
Yes, sir. Like, related to the test department, sometimes I wanted to skip the test, sir. Mainly chemistry tests. But my father used to say, like, once, he said that if you are prepared, anyone can give the exam. Like I can also give the exam if I am prepared. What's the specialty of a JEE aspirant? Like, even if you are not prepared,
Go for a test.
writing the test, like doing your best in the test is a specialty of JEE aspirant. That's what my father used to say. I
That's
just
good.
wanted to incorporate that.
Fantastic, yeah. चलो, तो it was really मतलब great talking to you guys, because the ideas and the concepts what we understood from you guys, the kind of perseverance which you had, और मतलब it's more of a sort, जितना मेरे को समझ में आया कि mentality matters, because all you students had that mentality कि यार YouTube अगर यूज़ करेंगे भी तो शॉर्ट्स में नहीं जाना है, नहीं जाने के लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. We can clear the watch history, we can watch it in the browser, not on the app. We will not go to YouTube शॉर्ट्स. या फिर अगर टेस्ट देना है तो इट वुड बी मोर ऑफ अ सॉर्ट कि यार टेस्ट तो देना ही है. अब कोई बोल रहा है इस तरीके से कि मेरे को रोज़ देना है क्योंकि मैं उससे मोटिवेट होना चाह रहा हूँ. कोई बोल रहा है कि लास्ट 1-2 दिन में थोड़ी प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा, तो इट्स अ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ 1-2 years. बट एवरी वन हैज़ मेड सम ऑफ देयर ओन रीज़न, बट एट द एंड इट्स द एंड रिजल्ट कि उससे निकल क्या रहा है. एंड व्हाट आई एम सीइंग कि ये हर चीज़ में, चाहे वो टेस्ट देना हो, चाहे वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना हो यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स देखकर, चाहे वो ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई हो, चाहे वो ग्रुप स्टडी हो, मतलब हर चीज़ों में बच्चों ने अपने कुछ सोल्यूशन निकाल रखे हैं. तो इट्स मोर ऑफ अ सॉर्ट, एक वो मेंटालिटी है जो आपको टॉपर बनाती है. एक ऐसी चीज़ की मेंटालिटी कि यार मेरे को हर एक प्रॉब्लम का कोई सोल्यूशन वर्क अराउंड करना है. दैट सोल्यूशन माइट नॉट बी मैचिंग विद द एंटायर वर्ल्ड, बट इफ इट वर्क्स फॉर यू, इट वर्क्स फॉर यू. एंड दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट, इनफैक्ट दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट जो सबको सीखना चाहिए कि अगर आपको भी उस टॉपर लीग में पहुंचना है, यू डोंट हैव टू क्रिब फॉर योर प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम तो सबको होंगे. ईच ऑफ दीज स्टूडेंट्स विल हैव देयर ओन सिचुएशन, दे वुड हैव फॉट फ्रॉम देयर सिचुएशन. अब सबने अपने तरीके से फाइट किया और फाइट किया तो यहाँ बैठे हैं. सो द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज योर मेंटालिटी एंड योर फाइटिंग एटीट्यूड. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
ऑल
Yes, sir.
गुड. चलो भाई, तो थैंक्स अलॉट पीपल फॉर शेयरिंग योर इनसाइट्स, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर कि ये इनसाइट्स बच्चों तक पहुंचेगा तो दे विल बी ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी, और उनको भी काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल कि आप लोगों ने ये शेयर किया, एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. आप लोग आगे लाइफ में बहुत फोड़ाफाड़ी मचाएंगे, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि यू विल डू वंडरफुल इन योर लाइफ. ओके,
Thank you, sir.
चलो, थैंक यू.